Hey guys, so today we have a 2022 Audi A5 and I'm gonna show you guys this damage, and this is why it's important to do research and get the right technician to work on your car. Let's take a look. So here's the car, brand new, and this customer went to a paintless dent repair technician, and this is what he did. I mean, he really screwed this thing up. Even broke the paint. Okay, so after spending some time on this quarter pound, let's take a look what it looks like. So there it is. The chips we're gonna touch up tomorrow, give it a little wet sand buff, but this thing came out really good. This customer is gonna be super happy. So this is where we went in. We got most of our access through here. A lot of access. That's it, all done, pretty much.